Good day, daughter. Now we are going to present our advanced digital system design project, which is serial divider. Our group members are Jason and Jack. See, let me make a brief introduction on our project. Serial divider is a divider performed by repeating subtraction. We implement non-restoring division algorithm on unsigned integer only. The non-restoring division algorithm involves only one decision, either it is subtraction or addition. Therefore, there are no restoring steps. Hence, its operation is reduced to half, so the execution time is less.
This session we will introduce about the algorithm. In the initial step, D inserted with the 4-bit 1010 and M inserted with 2-bit 11, reset insert with 0, start insert with 0. So when after the reset inserted with 1, the down will equal to 0 and the I will equal to 1. After this, when the start equal to 1, the value of D will put into the Q register and the value of 0 will put into the R register and move to the next step, which is the S1. So in the S1, the most significant bit of the R will be checked. So the value of R and the value of Q will be concatenated and left shift by 1. After this, the error, which is 0, is minus with the value of M, which is 2-bit 11. And the error will become to 5-bit 11110. After this, the R of the most significant bit of R will be checked again. So for now, the R most significant bit is the 1. So the least significant bit of Q will be inserted with 0. So the value of Q will become equal to 3-bit 100 and go to the next step, which is the S3. So for now, you will compare the I and the N. The I is initial as 1 and the N is initial as 4. So they are not equal. I will continue to add 1 and go to the S1 and repeat the previous process until the down is equal to 1 and the quotient, which is 1 and the remainder is 1.
I am going to demonstrate our result. From here, we can see that when dividend is 10, divisor is 3, the quotient when down is 1 is 3 and the remainder is 1. We change the dividend to 8, divisor to 3. The result for quotient is 2 while the remainder is 2. When the dividend is 8, divisor is 2, the quotient is 4 while remainder is 0. Experiment we performed on 9 dividend with 2 divisor, the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1.
The demo session, we will using unsigned integer as our input. First of all, we will using the dividend as 10 and the divisor as 3. After filling, we will run the EDF playground. And here is the graph that generated. We can clearly see that the question is 3 and the remainder is 1. So after this, we will using another input, which is the dividend as 8 and the divisor as 3. So we will run the EDS playground and generate the waveform. So we can see that the quotient is 2 and the remainder also 2. After that, the third input also an unsigned integer, which is dividend equal to 8 and the divisor equal to 2. So we will run the simulator and generate the waveform. So we can see that the quotient is 4 and the remainder is 0. So for the last input, which is dividend equal to 9 and the divisor equal to 2, After filling, we will run the simulator and wait for the waveform to generate. So we can clearly see that the question is 4 and the reminder is 1. So that's all for the demo of the project. Thank you.